Hey guys, welcome back. It's Rebecca with Lake Tawakoni RV Center. Today I'm going to be showing you our 2026 brand new Forest River IBEX 26 BRE. This one is 32 foot. It's got 2 ACs, massive power awning. Comes with a cooktop that is stowed away in the compartment. Continuous water heater. A nice open window. We got 2 bar stools pulled up to the bar top. This also pulls out for more seating space. Got a barn style sink, a nice cup washer. You've got your 2-in-1 waterfall spray, 3 burner stove top, microwave that doubles as an air fryer, plenty of storage. Got a nice drawer to stow away your trash can, your 12-volt fridge. You've got the road vac with the kick sweep, 3-person couch with removable trays. This couch pulls out into a bed. Got a nice size shower, medicine cabinet, plenty of room around your sink. You get a queen size bed in this one, plenty of room for clothes on either sides, and you get 4 drawers right below your bed. This one's pretty cool. It is washer dryer prepped. This one does come with 1 solar panel. And now I will show you the table that is stowed away behind that bar. If you guys have any questions with our 2026 Forest River IBEX 26 BRE, give us a call or shoot us a text at 903-447-2633. Thanks for watching.